Hello guys, welcome to BMS with me.
Today we'll be dealing with the drug ahifena. It is also known as opium in English. It is Papaver somniferum. Coming to its vernacular names, in English it is known as opium. In Hindi it is known as afimafim. In Kannada it is known as afin, and in Marathi it is known as amal. Coming to the definition, Ahanti Mariati iti ahi. That which kills like a snake poison is known as ahifena. It kills like a snake poison. Coming to the Paryayanama, that is synonyms. Tilabeda. The seeds look like a variety of the tila. The seeds of ahifena look like a tila, hence it is known as tilabeda. Kasatila. The seeds look like tila, hence it is also known as kasatila. Kakasa. The seeds are known as kaskase, hence it is known as kakasa. They are nothing but poppy seeds. Coming to the botanical name, it is known as Papaver somniferum. Family is Papaveraceae. Now coming to the Ganavargikarana or classification of the drug. There are 4 varieties mentioned in the classical test according to Rajanigantu. Based on the color and based on the action. Based on the color, it is of 4 types, that is Shweta, white in color, Pita, yellow color, Krishna, black color, and Chitra. It is based on flowers color. It varies. And based on action, it is also divided into 4 types. They are Jarana, that is digestive, Marana, that the drug that which causes death, and Dharana, that is Rasayana in nature, and that is 4th one is Sarana, that is it is used to remove metabolic residues from the body. Shweta, it is of Jarana variety, and Pita, it is Pita color, it is Dharana, and Krishna, it is Marana, and Chitra, it is Sarana. Practically, it is divided into 3 types. They are Carcass Safeda, that is white in color, Carcass Sia, that is black or blue in color, Carcass Mansura, that is red in color. According to origin, it is divided into 4 types, that is Turkish, European, Persian, and Indian. Coming to the external morphology of the drug. Tree or the vriksha. It is an erect tree. Usually it is glaucous, an annually robust herb. It is about 60 to 120 centimeter high. Coming to the leaf. It has a simple sessile alternate leaves, and it is ovate oblong. It is lobed and the base is cordate. It has irregularly toothed margin, and it is acute. Coming to the flowers, it has attractive flowers, and it is bisexual, as I've said these meanings in the earlier video, and it has a very large flower that is about 5 to 6 centimeter across, and the color of the flower is white or purplish in nature, with a variegated with a dark stain at the base. Coming to the fruit, it has a rounded shaped capsules like fruit, and coming to the seeds, it is white or grayish brown to black. It varies, and it is reniform. Chemical composition of the drug. It contains primary alkaloid as morphine, codeine, and narcotic drugs, and secondary alkaloid as apomorphine, apocodeine, and natural substances and organic acids. Coming to the guna karma vijnana or pharmacodynamics of the drug. Rasa, it has tikta and kashaya rasa, that is bitter and astringent taste. Guna, it is sukshma and ruksha, that is minute and dry. Virya, it has ushna virya, that is it is hot in potency. Vipaka, it is katu vipaka. Therefore, the dosha karma, it is kapha and vata shamaka. Based on these properties, it is kapha and vata shamaka, and pitta prakopaka. Since it has tikta, ruksha, ushna guna, it is pitta prakopaka. Coming to the action or properties of the drug. Action or the karma of the drug. It is balya, strengthening, grahi, that is absorbent, vrishya, aphrodisiac, nidrajanana, that is it is sedative, and shvasahara, good for respiratory disorders. Therapeutic indications of the drug. It is useful as analgesic, anesthetic, anticolic, antidiuretic, sedative, respiratory paralysis, and narcotic. It is used in apasmara, that is epilepsy, and atisara, diarrhea, anidra, insomnia conditions, and in sperm problems, and it is also used in respiratory disorders like Shwasaroga and in piles. It is externally applied to the inflammation and pain of the joints, that is Sandhi Vedana. It can be applied, and in also painful hemorrhoid conditions, and also it is used for pain of rectal and urinary bladder. Coming to the Amayika Prayoga, that is therapeutic use of the plant. In Atisara condition, that is diarrhea, ahifena when taken along with the goat milk, it even controls the severe diarrhea. And in Pravahika condition, when ahifena is taken with the karjura, that is dates, the dysentery with mucus and blood can be revealed. Coming to the Garbhashaya Strava, that is uterine bleeding, it can be stopped with Pinda Karjura and ahifena. And Darunaka, that is in this disease, external application of opium paste made with the milk cures Darunaka. The seeds are when the seeds of ahifena when pounded with the milk helps to destroy dandruff problems. The parts used for Amayika Prayoga of the drug, they are Kasafala, that is dried fruit of the drug, and Kasabija, dried seeds of the drug, and Kasataila, then the seeds oil, that are also used for the Amayika Prayoga. Coming to the dosage or matra of the drug, it is about 10 to 15 mg. Formulations, that is yogas of the drug, they are ahifena sava, karpura rasa, महावातराज रस, निद्रोदय रस, vedanataka malahara. Vishakta lakshanas, that are the adverse effects of the drug. It is contraindicated in certain diseases of the lung and chest, and also in certain central nervous system diseases. It is contraindicated in meningitis, fever, bloating of the abdomen, and gastric dilation. It requires due precautions to be taken while using in case of nephritis, infants, old patients, all chronic diseases, and in depression state like mental disorder. Thank you.